Hey man, how are you? I was pointing that seems to be messing up. I just want to see if you guys can leave a comment or give me a review. Maybe you think something's wrong with it. You probably have the same problem. All right, man. Thank you.